In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Brave Browser, Easy Guide. If audio suddenly stops working in Brave Browser, it can be frustrating, especially when videos, music, or other media content refuse to play sound. Fortunately, there are several simple settings you can check that often resolve the issue quickly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most common causes of sound problems in Brave and show you how to fix them. To begin, open Brave Browser and navigate to the website where you're experiencing the audio issue. Once the page is loaded, look at the tab near the top left area of the browser window. Right-click directly on that tab to open the available options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Unmute Site and select it if it's available. Sometimes a website can become muted accidentally, preventing any sound from playing even though everything else appears to be working correctly. This quick check can often solve the problem immediately. If the issue continues, move to the upper right corner of the browser and click the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings to access Brave's configuration options. Once the Settings page opens, click Privacy and Security from the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This section contains important controls related to website permissions and browser behavior. Next, open Site and Shields settings. After entering this area, scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings and click on it. This section allows you to manage permissions for various types of website content. Within Additional Content Settings, select Sound. You'll now see the browser's audio permission settings. Make sure the option Allowing Sites to Play Sound is enabled. This setting is essential because it determines whether websites are permitted to output audio through Brave. If browser settings appear correct and you're still not hearing anything, the issue may be related to your Windows audio configuration. Open the Windows Start menu and access Settings. In the search bar, type Sound Settings and select the matching result. When the Sound Settings window opens, locate the Output section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu listing your available audio devices. Verify that the correct speakers, headphones, or audio output device is selected. Windows can occasionally switch output devices automatically, which may cause sound to seem unavailable. There's one final setting worth checking. In the lower right corner of your taskbar, right-click the speaker icon and choose Open Volume Mixer. This panel displays separate volume controls for each running application. Find Brave Browser in the list and confirm that it is not muted. Also, make sure its volume slider is set to an appropriate level. Sometimes only the browser is muted while the rest of the system audio continues working normally. And that's it. You've successfully checked the most common causes of no sound in Brave Browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.